I am here to bring you another color in the Rene of Paris Attitude wig in their new Orchid line. So I have a review already on Attitude. I have her in two other colors. I have her in Midnight Iris, which is a purple color, and then I have her in Burnt Chilli, which is a kind of a dark reddish brown, which I love. And I love, love, love that one so much that I just could not help myself but to get another one. And so I bought this wig in the color Molten Amber. And guys, I should know better than to buy a wig that I have not been able to see a review on in a color. I mean in a color, because I've seen this wig, I own this wig, I know I love the wig, but I knew nothing about the color, and what I could find online was not helpful. And so when I got this wig in the mail a couple of days ago, I was super disappointed. So disappointed. I will tell you, the color has grown on me a little bit, but let's just look at this color. First of all, I absolutely love all of this. Love it. The colors running through this are fabulous. Like a light brown, some blonde, some gold. Those colors all through here are gorgeous. Absolutely spectacular. What I don't love is the black root. This may be billed as a dark brown root. I really don't know. But it's pretty much black. And that's where I struggle, because the extremeness between the root and the color is just a little bit too much for me personally. This is super fun. It's really cute. If you like edgy colors, if you love huge contrasts, this is fabulous. In that sense, it's 100% fabulous, and I think you would love it. For me, I would like a little bit less contrast. I just wish this root weren't so incredibly dark, because the rest of the color is amazing. I love, love, love the color in this. It's really just that contrast. So let's just take a look. I am going to put on the Burnt Chilli one so you can compare the two. I just love this wig. I do. I love the bounciness of the curls. I love the spiral. These are just perfect spiral curls. They're just beautiful, beautiful spiral curls. I love the length. I love how it feels. I honestly, so far, love everything about the Attitude wig. She does have quite a bit of permatease. I would say this one feels like even less. So my Midnight Iris, the purple one, felt like it had so much permatease, really full, super a lot of permatease. You could even really see the permatease up here in the really dark rooting. My Burnt Chilli feels like it has more permatease than this one, and but it just works with this because of these curls and the spiral curls and how you need them lifted off the cap. You need some sort of permatease to make that happen. And so I thought it was perfect. I really can't see the permatease up here in my Burnt Chilli. So in that sense, it's just fine, because this doesn't have a monofilament. It just has a really deep lace front. In this one, I again can't see the permatease. Because of how the curls all come up to the top, I really can't see the permatease in this one either. So it's really only that Midnight Iris so far that I feel like you can kind of see it. I love the way the curls go away from the face. I didn't have to do anything to this wig. This is out of the box. I didn't even like hang it upside down. I didn't spray it, because I put it on and I thought, oh, great, because of the color. But I will tell you, the color has grown on me a little bit. I'm going to see what my husband thinks of it, because I'll tell you, the other one, my Burnt Chilli, my husband loves that wig so much. He is just over the top, like can't take his eyes off me when I'm wearing it. This is the look he loves on me. Really big curls that are like wild. He loves this look on me. So he may like this one a lot. I don't want to spend too much time like talking about the wig, because I've already done a review on it. I mainly wanted to get out there with this color because if you are looking at any of these wigs in the Orchid line, I don't think there's a lot of information about the colors. And so I wanted to make sure I got this out there for you. And then I want to tell you that Taz just posted a review today on the Blonde Ambition. I just bit my tongue. Nice. On the Blonde Ambition, that must mean I'm talking too fast. On the Blonde Ambition color for this wig. So if you like blondes, then I would go over to Taz's channel and check out her review on Blonde Ambition. That's another really wild out there color with super dark and super light. But you know, I don't know, guys. I can't tell you enough how much I love this wig. It's heat friendly, so the fibers they don't feel like hair, but they're not doll hair. They're super, super silky and super bouncy with the curl. Because it's not on my clothing, I don't think we're going to be dealing too much with friction. Again, let me put on my other one for you so you can see. I've worn this one now 3 full days and a couple of partial days. Oh, and I also cut the lace. So let me talk a little bit about the lace on these. So this one just even looks fuller, doesn't it? It just is a lot more permatease up here. This one has a ton, I think even a ton more permatease on the top than this other one. So again, it's kind of an example of the difference in wigs and their styles. You get the same wig in different colors or even often the same color, and you don't know what you're gonna get. Now, at least with this one, all 3 of mine have the super bouncy curls, the really beautiful spiral curls. How they lay in the front is a bit different on each of them. This one has this one that loves to just come down and kind of peekaboo with my face. It's such a cute curl, but all I really have to do is sweep her up and she stays up pretty well. I did wear her up in a clip one day and that looked really cute. I mean, the curls are still doing great. I have not sprayed this one with anything. I've not put any conditioner in her. I've not put any product in her. This is 3 full days and a couple partials of wear, and she still looks great. She's been hanging upside down with my curly wigs over there, and she's just doing fantastic. But she's a lot fuller. Let me try to do a quick switch for you guys again. Maybe I'll try to I'll take a picture and then kind of do a side-by-side collage. But look at how pretty this color is. Burnt chili. It's not wild over the top. It's just a reddish brown. It's with some copper running through it. Check out my other video. I've got an outdoor look. It's so pretty. Whereas this one is a bit more wild and out there. I don't know if you can tell in that quick switch, it just is a lot less hair. It feels like less hair. It's definitely less full. I cannot feel the pillowy permatease in this one that I can feel in that one and that I can feel in the Midnight Iris. I just can't. So I don't know what that means, but... And so then we've got the lace front. Let's just look at the lace front on this one. Because it's so dark, you can really see that knotting. It does sort of lay up off the forehead, and I'm okay with it. It's not bothering me too terribly. I'm doing okay with that. So some of you, though, may really hate that. If you're super sensitive to dark knotting, please, keep that in mind. And I did trim the lace on this one. You can see the scalloped edge because I used the kind of scalloped scissors. This one comes with a scalloped edge too, but I trimmed it down. The lace on here is very, very thick, not super pliable, and it seems like it may be just a little bit darker than typical. It's still transparent, but I can't quite put my finger on it because I tried to compare it to another wig's lace, and it didn't look that dark on comparison. It just sort of looks a little darker to the eye. So when I have it on, the lace goes down kind of far. I wore this one a few times before I trimmed the lace, and then I decided to give the lace a trim, and that worked out great. So I'll probably trim this lace a little bit too if I keep her. Let's see what my husband thinks. I don't know though. I just love this wig so much that I may just keep her and decide on days when I'm feeling a little wild that I'll wear this wild color, because I do love it. So there you go. We've got, now you've seen it in 3 different colors on me. You can go check out Taz's channel for Blonde Ambition. If I get it in another color, which I don't know if there's another one that I would like, but I do love this wig. I might get another one, so I'll give you guys an update if that happens. Let me know if you have questions. I'll run outside and get an outside look for you. All right, guys, I'm outside with the Molten Amber, so you can see this color out here. You know, I did notice I was inside taking some pictures, and I think you can see, I think it's a little shiny on the really dark. I don't know if I would do anything because I don't really get that bothered with the shine, but some of you might think that's a little too shiny. So some dry shampoo maybe would be needed if you wanted to try this color. I just want to make sure you guys get a good look at this. I love all of this. It's so pretty. That color is just phenomenal. My dogs are in the way because I think my son is walking in the door. So pretty. If this were just a little lighter, this would be the perfect color. I hope that was helpful.